This brand is made in China, is backed by a good guarantee, and can be purchased through their website or on Amazon. The units have 3 stages of filtration and a real-time filter life indicator. The EAP050 model has 5 fan speeds with timer and sleep modes and a 215 square feet coverage area with a 41 CFM delivery rate. The EAP250 has 3 fan speeds, a coverage area of 323 square feet, and a 160 CFM delivery rate. They are about twice as noisy as a refrigerator when running in high speed, but, when in sleep mode, they have a noise rating of 22 decibels, which is much quieter than even a whisper. The EAP260 model has an air quality sensor that can control the 5-speed fan when in auto mode and gives a visual indication of air quality with a light that changes colors. They have a 336 square feet coverage area with a 153 CFM delivery rate and a 54 decibel noise rating in high speed. The EAP360 model is their largest with a 2,314 square feet coverage area and a 212 CFM delivery rate. The 5-speed fan can be controlled by the air quality sensor when in the auto mode, but they are relatively loud with a 64 decibel noise rating in high speed. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.